American artist Richard Serra is known for his enormous sculptures. His sculptures are notable for their material quality and their exploration of the interaction between viewer, work, and place. His work has played an important role in the advancement of modern abstract sculpture after minimalism. Serra has explored how an artwork can be intimately connected to a particular environment, how it can establish a physical and visual connection with the viewer, and how it can create spaces or environments in which the viewer can encounter the common qualities of weight, gravity, agility, and even a meditative state of rest. Serra's creations are both sculptures and architectural elements. Serra's interest in the implicit connection between the design of the sculpture and the place for which it is intended has sparked a new international conversation about the function and management of art in public spaces. Serra's sculpture implies that art should be participatory in contemporary society, rather than something confined to a museum. Serra is considered one of the most important sculptors of the 20th century. Over the course of his long career, he has influenced countless artists and continues to have an impact on today's architects and planners. Like the video and subscribe to not miss our next videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon on Art Theory.